Hello everyone. My name is Margarita, I am from Russia, the city of Kursk. My rating for the hotel: accommodation 5, service 5, food 5. So our vacation is over, how quickly it flies. 2 adults and a 15-year-old child rested at the Linda Hotel from 10 to the 21st of August. Impressions from the rest were only positive, I'll tell you in order. Check in. It went smoothly and without problems. We were allowed to choose number 1 of 2. We chose number 603 on the 6th floor, because we did not like the one offered on the 2nd floor due to the dampness in the room, which was clearly felt. The acquaintances got number 222, a large one, designed for 5, they lived in 3. There are no complaints about him. We arrived after 2, ate at the snack bar, since lunch had already ended, filled out the papers, chose a room, and after 15 minutes were already in place. Territory: small but beautiful, well-groomed and compact. Near Lake Titreyengol, well, we were not impressed. A dirty pond with ducks that everyone feeds. There is a mini zoo where parrots, rabbits, pigeons, chickens, beautiful peacocks, a house for cats live there. Well, kids are interested. There are 2 pools, small enough, but there was never a crowd, there was enough space for everyone. 1 pool with slides, 2 of them, they are more for children. Not far from the pools there is a bar and a snack bar, a conveniently located bar in the lobby. You can also go from the pool, and just sit in the lobby, drink tea and so on. Internet in the lobby is free, well, not high speed but more or less enough. You can take a paid, took the child, €10 a week, one day €2. This works on the territory of the hotel more or less regularly, and on the beach intermittently. Nutrition: not to say that it is quite varied, but always tasty and to the point. Breakfast included pancakes, scrambled eggs, rolls of eggs and tomatoes with cheese and sausage, various buns, vegetables, jams, cereals, milk, yogurt, etc. They offer fresh juice for money, either $2 or $3, but we did not take. For lunch, soups 2 types, always fish, meat, there was even once in 12 days of rest language, various side dishes, vegetables, fruits, a lot of sweets. For dinner, too, a varied amount of sweets, vegetables, fruits, side dishes, a couple of times there were rolls, fillets of red fish. Well, in general, everything is fine. The cooks try, everything is clean, tidy and comfortable. You put food on yourself, at the entrance they measure the temperature, give out a mask and a glove that everyone puts on their right hand. Devices in bags, take it yourself, always lie on a separate table. There are 2 a la carte restaurants, the recording is dense, we could only get into the fish restaurant, the dishes are served very slowly, but overall I liked everything. Sea. It is gorgeous, the depth at once, after 2 meters, warm, transparent, floated enough. There is a strip of small stones at the entrance. In the morning the sea was usually always calm, and by lunchtime there was a wave, and it was not at all comfortably high, but we fought. 1 nuance, minus or plus, I do not even know, for each in its own way. To the sea 950 meters by measurement, there is a bus, but it is inconvenient, it starts at 9 in the morning, and ends at 5 in the evening. For us both that and that was inconvenient and therefore we walked on foot. At the end of the rest, it seemed to us that we were tired of walking, but this can be said as a plus, because walking is useful. The road leads past retail outlets and passed unnoticed at first, then got tired. It's especially hard at lunchtime in the heat. Beverages. The bar has a list of cocktails, tell me what to make and they do it for you, but in general gin, rake, vodka, whiskey, wine, beer. From non-alcoholic Fanta, Sprite, cola, tea, coffee and juices like UPI. Excursions. There are 2 agencies on the way to the beach, who are afraid to take from tour operators, but we were only inside on our own, visited the Temple of Apollo, in other places we just already were. In general, how to sew. Enjoy your stay.